Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the pedal and crank. The first that I need to get the brand new pedal and crank. And then we can use the wrench to tighten it. To make it 100% resistance, to make sure it won't move easily. The next time that we need to replace the broken pedal and crank. The first time that we need to take out of this lead. You can use some scissors and something else to take off this lead. It's very easy, and then you need to use this facility. Okay, the next time that we need to take out of this screw. So the direction is, is towards the head of the bicycle. We already got this screw, this nut. The next two that we need to use the one, just like in my hand. This one and this one. Okay. By the way, what I want to express, and every customer you should pay more attention to, is this one. Some customer reflected this nut and this crank is not fit for together. Just because maybe some customers not insert the nut into it directly. So sometimes you need to pay more attention to it and see that. So it can successfully to join it. And the next one that you need to tighten it with your wrench. Then assemble this belt. Then we continue use this facility, these two, to tighten it. Then you find this get out of, okay? So this old one is take out of. We need to replace the new one. So they are the top. So this pedal you need to put on the bottom. This top is bottom. So if the place that the red pedal in the bottom, that you need to put it in the top, okay? So this position, just like me, this top, and you put this on the bottom of this position. The first time that we need to fix it. Then to find that nut. To put this nut into this facility, these two. Okay. Just remember, every time that you want to tighten, the direction is opposite the head of the bike. Okay? If you want to loosen or take out of everything, you need to go to screw. The direction is towards the head of the bicycle and bike. Okay, so we need to tighten. So we need to, in this direction. This direction is towards the back of our bike because we're to tighten. Okay, so it's tightened. Let's have a try. See, we finished. So everything we're done. Just like this, okay. And finally we need to put this lid and assemble into it. It's very easy.